elweni nilithandayo nihamba embili eSwatini TV nasemhlabeni wonke nje etandla nenkondlo sokhona futhi utanabo bosonkondlo balila ekhaya eSwatini kanye nalabo labentayo imisebenzi yetandla ngethemba yemukela ukuthi la ukhona khona wena uright umele nje ukuthi uvote inkondlo ukuthi ngabe namuhla kwendekalani yes sitana brand new lokuqala umbona ngicala ehlelweni sonkondlo uthi biteke ukuthi ngumshumayeli ngithena ngibude uthi why are you calling yourself umshumayeli wathi hayi futhi hlala phansi sitolalela soyithune babukele ekhaya ukuthi ngithi ngingumshumayeli nje kwendiwa yini futhi ngifika kanjani lapho uthi vele ke mbukeli kuye umshumayeli ukuthi umshumayeli nje usho mbamba noma uyasiyenga
kuko konke lebese ngukhulumile mawungagodla lokhu lempu ngabe soyinqobile thathani lithemba leni lonke bangani bami nilibeke kusimakadze mawungasima kuye njengoba usima emhlabathini mawumile ube nelithemba lekuthi awuyoza ungikwile lempu ngabe soyinqobile nawe nqobile ekubeni wathatha lithemba lakho lonke walibeka kusimakadze ngesikhathi ukhulelwe wangavumela igwinyo kwesaba ngezathu sekuthi lona lomthwele utawuthi angaphuma umondlengana yathi khanzese kakhulu athi khanzese katfelela abanye ngaba uzange wamhushula wawela phasi ngaba uzange wamqisha asengakabhalwa sikhuluma nyalo ngendeka ngabe songidokotela lomkhulu lo lapha abantu ngekholwa lokuncane nje lokungangenhlavu yendlula mithi kwenta umehluko lomkhulu kabi kunyakatisa tintsaba kungako ke bangani bami namuhla ngintone eqwayisa ukuthi nithathe lithemba leni lonke nilibeke emahlomba lomlisa ngoba ngiyawate emasula nawo ngani emase kusiphumelelisa haye kusilimata emase kusiniketa lithemba nelikusasa kufuna nibe nebudlolane bekuthi ngiyimphumphuthe kanti live lakhe lingilendvukule ngiholako mangifise kuya kamphumelelo lona litongithatha liyongimikisa umshado kwasasivivinyo sekwethemba umuntu wenyama sekwethemba ukuthi ngiyangena la ngiyathemba utangiphatha kahle sekwethemba ukuthi ngiyangena la ngiyathemba ngeke kwenteke ngalelinye ilanga avuka ngilahle sekwethemba ukuthi ngiyangena la ngiyathemba ngeke kwenteke ngalelinye ilanga avuke ebulwana ngigwaza ngibulale mawukhona kuthemba abamfu kangaka wehlulwa yini kuthemba simakathe wethembe ukuthi ngiyangena la likusasa lami litawukhatitela kakhulu kunelinamuhla lami wethembe ukuthi ngiyangena la njabulo uyabazivakashile singivakashela njalo ekurusini lami wethembe ukuthi ngiyangena la siphetho ngiyaba sezulwini la khona ngiyawuphila inguna phakathe kanye nebalingani bami kuphela nje mangasima kuye njengoba ngisima emhlabathini mangimile ngibe nelithemba lekuthi angiyoze ngiqwile lempi ngabe senginqobile mina ke ngingumshumayeli ngibubulisa kwendlovu live lami lilibhudlo lishiya umehluko emhlabeni kanti ke liyafana neliqilongo maliqetha ngifemfetha libashiya batiqobonga mina ngingumshumayeli
umshumayeli right
umshumayeli
okay welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo siyajabula kuba nawe busela umbukele ekhaya usho ukuthi ungubani owakabani uchamuka kuphi
ngivusela babukele emakhaya ligama lami ngingitumelo ngokanqumalo bangathi lathi inkondlweni bangathi nga umshumayeli
okay umshumayeli why are you calling yourself umshumayeli
I'm not calling myself
okay
how the name came about is that I didn't have a name mfunza eUNESWA mina kwaLuseni so kune poetry society khona
okay
so when I discovered that I can do poetry ngathi mangiyakhona bengide gama but landleleni I believe the Holy Spirit is the one who gave me the name because it also gave me direction on my poetry bengibhala just no
okay
but nyalo ukubhala kwami se umshumayeli
so focus enkondlweni letishumayela gospel poetry
yes
nothing else okay so neminyaka lemingakhi nje ubhizi ngepoetry
wesithulu
okay
I'm not very old but angizange ngiqala poetry bengirapper
yes wasesuyalalela uthi ayike right mangikutendasa poetry
yes 6 years wegrapper
okay
so kwabalula masengicala le poetry
okay what made you switch from being rapper to a poet yeah
so I go to a church called Precious Souls Church
okay
and mangifika khona I was allowed to do gospel rap khona
oh nice
yes I did gospel rap for a long time kwabe sekufika umumfu makafika la somfeni enda ipoetry yena igama lakhe ngidlala ifaye elizulu
okay
makafika esomfeni ufike introduce to poetry
okay
ngathi hey let me try engathi mangitry akwa-try ngathanda ngabe senginamathela sakhona ukukhwesha
okay take us to your first day of ku-recite enkonzweni bazalwane benda njani or ureciter somewhere else la bathi khona hayi wena manje nasesonfeni asebavete involved nayo.
Ngiqala eSonveni.
Okay.
Yes. Ngiqala naye lo Dlalifa Elizulu.
Okay.
The first time ngi-recite ipoem empilweni. Ngiqala naye then
Oh, okay.
eSonveni. Ebathanza bathi qhubekani. Saqo.
Umuhle, umekahle, ebemane udalwe kabusha pho-ke awukase sonosatendela mathanza la kusafasweti nketane esonfeni uyaya kepha sinqumo sekumukela Jesu sesibekele ekhashane umuhle umekahle ebemane udalwe kabusha pho-ke awukase loyo lotfole umfati utfole info lenhle ngiyavuma kepha wena awusuye umfati uyinfombatane usenesibinzi sekuqhoma ngekuthi awukalali nekulala kusukela itolo bodza kungulo mhlaba ngiyavuma ngumthandazo wetiboshwa kepha ebemane liyakuhlaba ebemane lelivi lo liva ngeliviki uyalivumela likwakhe ebemane lo Jesu losola nqonqothe enhlitweni yakho yamvulela angene ahlale lapho-ke mhlawumbe besingakhuluma sivane ngoba wena umuhle umekahle ebemane udalwe kabusha pho-ke awukase lo lengimkhondako naye angajabha senguthathe angamangala mina mangibuya ebusuku ngisuke ngibuya kuyothandaza wena usuke ubuya kuyonatha imikhiba yethu yahishana litawuthi lingana makungithambama makushona langa ngithi khanze ngibuyele emuva tinfeni lengakafisi kudibana nato ngezizathu sekusekela umshado ngithi khanze sengivonsa inthambo ngigcine ngakalifezi nalibito umuhle umekahle ebemane udalwe kabusha pho-ke awukase ngiyaxolisa nangabe inkhulumo yami itakuphatha kabi kukabi kukubukela ugila imikhibi impilo yakho iravaza uthi iphatha kabi kuthi kuphatha ngiyati kusime ekutheni budlelwane bakho nasimakade bume njani mhlawumbe bubheke etulu mhlawumbe bubheke phasi mhla umbele phasi imikhiba yakho yakudzala lokho kuyabe kuchaza budzala kwanyalo lungisa le yakho nasimakade indzaba ngoba wena umuhle umekahle ebemane udalwe kabusha pho-ke awukase mina-ke ngingumshumayeli ngibubulisa kwendlovu livi lami lilibhudlo lishiya umehluko emhlabeni kanti-ke liyafana neliqilongo uma liqetha ngifemfetha libashiya batiqobonga mina ngingumshumayeli.
Okay, ekhaya bakusupporta or usupportwa lisonto nebangani?
Ya ekhaya bangisupporta konke imvole ngendaba noma abe akuphile. Bangisupporta.
As long as you're happy, right?
As long as I'm happy.
Okay. Do you have any plans for poetry or you're just doing poetry to keep yourself busy during your spare time now? Noma it's something lokuthi noma ungumkhulu yayifuna vele.
Ngiyithanda i-poetry. But nginekuthi because I'm a student, I'm doing IT.
Okay.
UNESA. So ngiba nekuthi as a career I'm at the moment I'm focused on the IT career, but then I would love to be a poet full time if it would pay as much as IT would pay.
Okay. Ngiyakuva uthi concentrate kakhulu esikolweni like nyalo if people do need you in their events uyatholakala, right?
Yes, fully.
Okay.
Churches do call me. I've gone to a number of churches in the region, even outside the region. So mostly it's churches that do call me, but sometimes even other events. Kona beba host kona 14 February. Bekwalusen beba host event ye Valentine's. Ngafika lapha ngashumayela bapho sebangishanga manje.
Awusabashiyela ukuthi la lithandweni iyadzingeka le nishumayelo kancane. Okay. Alright, kulokushumayela kwakho uyabuda yini labanye, let's say sobhalile and you are not sure of what you have written. Do you go to your pastor uyobuda or someone ocabanga ukuthi utati kangcono tindzaba teBible uyayiwende kanjani?
So every poem that I write is scriptural.
Oh, okay.
Like I base it on a verse.
Okay.
Yes.
So you use the Bible to reference?
Yes, I use the
Okay.
Bible fully.
Noma ngabe linamhla lethu libukeleka phasi kepha likusasa lethu likhanyisiwe. Kwanyala kunamehluko masicathanisa netibi kepha kungasinini umehluko yobe sekaqaqile. Sekuthiwa simbonile, akasabonakali kwanathi ekuqaleni usiphiqile. Akasatholakali melula, sigcine ngekumbuka sona ekuhlala agadziwe. Kwanyalo bozukwana sibathola sesikhale esakhala ngalelinye ilanga sibuye silengisatandla kepha kungasinini sidabe sesipopile. Sesihamba ngetimoto letidurile, tindiza sesitigibelisa kwemabhasi emaveni sivakasheemasikhanikile. Likhikhi lethu selingaqini sesikhona nekuphosa litshe esivivaneni lokungaqini impilo ezihlukile. Kwanyalo obudlelwane bethu naSimakade bubukeka buntengantenga kepha kungasinini sidabe sesikhululiwe. Kamoya sesikhulile. Sibukeka singakwadi ngisho ukuthandaza kepha kungasinini sidabe sibangani bamoya lo ingcwele labalungile. Sesithi shika yele moshka pha. Sikhulume tilimi. Kwanyalo sibukeka sitigqila tesono. Sithi sivuka kusigile. Sithi siyavuka kusigile. Kepha ngeke kuse solo siwile. Ngalenye ilanga siyovuka singaphinzisiwe. Siyethemba ngoba lo lothembisile wethembekile. Simakade akasiso simo selitulu live lakho nekusima kilo maseka likhulumile. Yasho ibhodli ngwenyama yelizulu yathi funa niqala umbuso wakhe kanye nekulunga kwakhe kude konke lokhu kutawengedelwa kini. Yathi funa niqala umbuso wakhe kanye nekulunga kwakhe kude konke lokhu kutawengedelwa kini. Mina ke ngingumshumayeli ngibubulisa kwendlovu live lami lilibhudlo lishiya umehluko emhlabeni kanti ke liyafana neliqilongo maliqedza ngifemfetha libashiya abathi qobonga. Mina ngingumshumayeli.
There are things that we are lacking in, and we could use a lot of help. For example, mangbuke social media, I feel like it is a necessity for a brand to be on social media, especially now. And if we could be able to push ourselves on social media, because we are lacking proper equipment yokuthi shoot ifombeleti ma video la kahle quality, so the thing that fits it they don't really go that far. So it's maybe investment in equipment shoot my videos that would be a help we need.
Yini lekumele uyende ukuthi bamfuna bakubukela basho bathi yambona ke for the poet, this is what you need. Kumbe sesinikete ama tips labo bosonkondlo labahlede emakhaya labasolo besaba ukuthi ngingaba ipoet kani yo bathi batangihleka. Yini lena lengamenda umuntu ukuthi agcine abe nginemfundo afise kuba ngiyo, abe ngile brand lathi ufise kuba ngiyo.
Kungendeke usabe kufunza how to. Incwadi nje lethi how to. Kungendeke utitshele ukuthi you are above it. If you can search my YouTube right now history, 1 month ago ngakhanza how to write a poem. Yet I've been in poetry for 2 years, but even now I still say how to write a poem. I will never grow above it. I will always be willing to learn more, even stage work. Sometimes I am an MC sometimes, but not fully I'm a poet. But I'm always open to learning how to present yourself even on stage, even when you're doing poetry. There are types of people, what do you call them? Performers. They are on stage, but people are minding their own business in the audience. Some are chatting, some are doing whatever. But then there is a person on stage. You let go of everything. You want to really concentrate. So it takes finding out and researching and learning how to be properly on stage. Charisma. How to be charismatic on stage. Yes.
Okay, basete bosonkondlo bethu kudo cela lisito lababona ukuthi cha bangasidakala ngalo kuwe nalabanye labafisile ukuthi ube kuma events abo bangakuthola kanjani bakuthole kuphi?
I should say my phone number.
Yeah, for those labete social media like me.
Okay. So okay, on TikTok I'm Umshumayeli. On Facebook I am Tumelo Ngumalo. But there's also a page Umshumayeli. And then my phone number is 766280003 or 79454968. And my email is ngumaloboiti8@gmail.com.
Umuhle, umekahle, ibe mani udelwe kabusha. Phoke. Lawo ke malayini akhe Umshumayeli akusiwo unfortunate. Sithatha ukhefu kembukelo uhlale phansi ungenzawo ngoba masibuya sitawuchuba nalo hlelo ngiyathi ukuthi kuningi lofise ukufunza.
Hi, my name is Nomvuyo Dlamini. I come from Mandabeni, and I am currently a student at the University of Eswatini Luyengo campus. I am doing my BSc in Consumer Science and Education. I think it's worth noting that I am a member of Inectus Eswatini Luengo campus. And my business is all about providing gifting services, all age ranges from toddlers to your elderly. And these gifting services vary. We also provide money bouquets. We also provide baked goodies when requested. And we always ensure that we provide the best services. So when I'm making a money bouquet, which is one of my samples, I make sure that I go to the bank to exchange the money, and then I use Scotch tape to put it together. And for any other hamper that I wrap, I need to make sure that I assemble correctly and the color coordinations match. So I started my business when I was doing my first day. I had just joined Inectus and I got my allowance. So I sat down and I decided that I have a crafts and arts skill that I learned in primary. And I have always been a creative. I'm always one person that likes doing things herself, which is also very prominent in the business, and it's shown. I make everything. I recycle whatever I can recycle, and I make use of the resources that are available. So when I started the business, I made a Mother's Day hamper for my mother. I took an old cut box, Kellogg's cut box, and I recycled it and made a box. Wrapped it up very perfectly, and instead of placing the chocolates inside, I decided to place the chocolates outside. I then posted that, and I got a lot of reviews, which then pushed me to start the business. So that was the starting factor. And you can find this hamper, The Beginning of Precious Treats, which is the name of my business, on our Facebook and Instagram pages. So the challenges, as I had mentioned, that I recycle or upcycle whatever I have, and I also purchase what I can't make myself. So the challenges that I face is, first and foremost, was trying to find the right material, because this is a learning process. You learn each and every day, especially if you're self-taught. And I struggled with being able to find the right material to use. I struggled with finding this place to find the material that I need to use. And I also struggled with the fluctuation in prices in stores. So I learned that I need to make sure that I do thorough market research, I do thorough resource research, and make use of what I have. So a request for me as a young entrepreneur is that Youth Fund would really help us by accessing all of these SMEs, especially the strictly small-scale business owners, by creating a special fund and the government assessing the policies to help us to easily access. Also with registration, because it is very important that you register your business in the long run for it to grow. And it's a really tedious and costly process. So maybe if they could assist us young entrepreneurs on how to go about to reduce the cost and be able to easily access all the funding and ability to register our businesses. With career choices, I would advise that whatever it is that you feel you desire you want to do it. But it is also important to do a thorough research on whatever career you're going to choose, because you need to understand if it's in need in the market, and you also need to understand the risks that you're going to encounter or have to take as you're deciding on that particular career path. But it's also important that whatever skill or talent that you have acquired along the way, do make use of it. Because what I've learned is that sometimes we will go to school, as I had mentioned that I am a student, but job opportunities are not always available. So whatever skill you have on the side will help you get by in the long run as you're waiting to get employed. Because an idle mind is a very dangerous place.
ubukela ihlelo Tandla Nenkhondlo ngiyathi ukuthi wena kuningi lokufunzile namhla ehlelweni futhi ube creative waqala wathi cha mina next week ngiyarecite ngiyaposta ku social media of course sitakulandzela thina sibe ma followers akho like comment bize sikhuthate ukuthi hayi chubeka manje nawe lelicasi lakho lo lendako ngesapho ukuthi lama line lang 3 lo so wendile anekuthi kweqata teacher kungakuthusi lo ngoba next time utowenda kahle kube right sitabona la ibukele evini letawo ngasisikhathi sifana goodbye and God bless.